What's up, my people? It's your girl Tanga Chama. You know what time it is? It's all about the Jambaroo Album Launching, happening live at Serekunda East Mini Stadium, 3rd of January, and the tickets are available right now on ZApp Super App. How to easily get your tickets on ZApp App? Open the app, click Event, and click the Jambaroo Buy Tickets, individual or VIP. Then you choose your choice. Pay now. That's just it, and get your ticket in a very easy way. You can always check on your tickets. Go back to your home page, click Event, and click My Ticket, and that's just it.
So don't wait in the past. Step into the future. Download ZApp today on App Store and Play Store.
Kana tara kunun kuwol kono. Inyatilin samala. Apo download bi Play Store waranto App Store. Fesi muna fanno nyi media kuwol to. ZApp nafa be dula kilingoto. Wanafa lu be puru ite. ZApp in tap in.